legacy means being involved in the community, setting a standard for the future to strive toward.
Legacy is something of value to be handed down to the next generation.
There is nobody more passionate on this board than Ron Roberts when it comes to the Asian community. The only thing I don't like about tonight is that this is called a Legacy Award. And I think, Ron, you still have a lot you want to accomplish.
Ron Roberts has done so much for both for Pac Arts Movement, for the Asian community in general, and for San Diego.
Ron Roberts is the epitome of legacy within the Asian community.
I learned something tonight for the first time when I was watching that video. I didn't know he was Italian. I thought he was His focus is so much on going to China and reaching out to the community.
It's an honor to be able to say the same time with Ron Roberts, whom I have known for so many years and done so many good things, especially for the Asian American community, this culture and everything else.
We are proclaiming today, June 18, 2013, to be Ron Roberts Day in the city of San Diego.
We've still got work to do. I've got a lot of energy to do it. And we're going to do what's going to get it done. Thank you for this honor tonight.